Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can download WhatsApp in PC or laptop. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open the Start menu on your PC or laptop and search for Microsoft Store. Open the app and let it completely load up. After that, open WhatsApp at the home page. But if you can't see it here, search for it in the search bar at the top of the screen. Open the app and click Get It. Since I have the app already, there is no such option. After installing the app, scan the QR code appearing inside it and your account will get logged in. So that's how you can download WhatsApp on your PC. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.